Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens here, and right now I'm just preparing for my webinar. My webinar is called Passion to Purpose, and what I am going to teach you all is how to turn your ideas into a successful online business. This webinar is perfect for anyone who is a blogger, new business owner, or you have ideas and you want to turn them into a business, but you don't know where to start or where to continue. So I'm going to walk you through and provide you with the proper tools to turn your passion into your purpose and start an online business. I will put all of the ticket information in the description box below. It will be this Friday. Check out the description box below and sign up today. Seats are limited, so I'll see you soon.